Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your name on PayPal. So for example, if you have entered a wrong name and you want to change it to your correct name, then this video is for you. But keep in mind, most of the time when you are trying to change your nickname or the first name completely, sometimes, not most of the not all the time, PayPal will ask you guys to provide them the ID card. I don't know why, but they need this information. I know they are not a bank, but they are trying like their best to be a bank, even though it's just a virtual bank. They just ask you guys for ID card, it's like I said, most of the time, not always. Now just try this and see if they are going to ask you or not. Click on the gear in the top right, and then what you need to do guys next is you want to click on security. Okay, now if you don't have a password, if you don't remember your password or anything, you just need to update it here or change it, just like in case they ask you guys for a password after you change the name. Okay, so that they can confirm it's you. If you know the password, then you don't even have to click on security. You just need to go back here. So after you go back, what you need to do guys next is you want to click on accounts here, and then you want to click on change name. If you click on change name, then it will give you guys three different options, which is using the legal name after marriage, divorce, updating your name. For example, you are using your full name instead of nickname, making a minor correction of 1 or 2 characters. So if you just need to change it after marriage, you can just click next and you can change it. Okay, then click continue. That's it. So if you have any other reason, then you can select the reason that why you are changing the name. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. Have a good day.